Hello, hey, Sid Hamid with Brickfront Properties and Construction. I'm here at a project that we bought a few weeks ago, and we made a video early on just to show you what we were doing. So I'll make a second video here to show you the progress on this project in Indian Head, Maryland. Okay, so this is the little townhouse on the end. We got the guys to come put a new roof, new gutters. We already installed the new windows. That's our second dumpster. Getting all this trash out of here. It's a nice little neighborhood. We got this for a really good price. And I just put up the sign for sale today. It's got 2 parking spaces. The HOA here is very nominal. It's like $54. But yeah, let's take a look inside the house. Today's Saturday, and we got like 4 guys working today. So I put up the sign for sale, and when they call that number, it goes to our call center in Florida. So they'll answer the phone if they call Saturday, Sunday. It's a 24-hour service, and they'll get all the information and send us an email. You know, somebody called about the property. But yeah, so we're putting new fascia boards, new soffit, new gutters. We're gonna take this tree, trim it down. We got the new door in, got the new hose bib. The key to the project is to make sure you got the materials at the project so the guys could work faster, right? And always try to get about extra 5 to 10% material, so we don't have to keep running back to Lowe's and Home Depot. So that shit takes time, right? You lose a couple hours when you're running back and forth, and gas. So the goal is to have as much materials here at the job site as possible, and have your right skill guys. We got a carpenter, we got plumbers, we got electricians, roofers. And all these guys have been in the business for over 25 years. So if you need anything done, Brickfront Properties and Construction, give us a call. We put in a brand new sleeve for the chimney. So the guys are gonna come in 2 weeks to put the sleeve in. And we took that wall down there to kind of give it an open concept to the kitchen and put a little breakfast island back there. Got a half a bathroom here, a coat closet here, and then we already got some of the appliances. We went to an auction house to get some of the appliances and LVP floors and the wires and the tile. It's upstairs. It's a 2-level townhouse. All right, so got the doors are in, the door trim's going in now. This is one of the hallway bathrooms. The floor's done. We got the vanity in. Already got the wall mirror and the light fixture. Exhaust fans downstairs. Got the toilets already here at the job site. The tub is in. Okay, we go to the ceiling with the tile. Little niche box. All right. Hallway laundry room, washer and dryer. Master bedrooms here. New windows, they're doing the window casing. New closet doors with 2 shelves for the closets. The material for the tiles. Master bedroom, bathroom. The door rack is done. So we'll come in Monday, finish off the tile. Tuesday do the grout, clean up, do the caulking, put in the top, got the wall mirror, the light fixture. So by next Friday, Saturday, all this stuff will be done. The bathrooms, the trim, the doors, and then we're gonna put carpet here on the floor. The shed, we're gonna keep it, fix it, paint it,
Yeah.
call it a day. Bedroom 2. This sucker was blue as hell. We had to put a couple layers. The dumpster, second dumpster. All right, it's a closet. I'm gonna put in 2 shelves there. Got the door sitting right here. The key is to have the materials here. As long as you got materials at the job site, the guys are gonna work. So, this master hallway and bedroom number 3. So how long you been doing this, man? I got you on camera. How long you been doing this? I know your dad's been doing it much longer.
23 years.
And your dad's?
And I'm 35 years old.
What? Oh, shit. They had your ass working.
Started real young.
I hear that.
I've been doing this since 98.
Wow. Base boards. Hey, this is gonna get carpet. This is gonna get carpet.
Yeah.
Okay. Bedroom closet, need a couple shelves. So Brick Farm Properties and Construction, if you guys need anything done, plumbing, electrical, trim work, this is what we've been doing for 25 years. Number, you can look it up on the internet. We got plenty of stuff on the internet. We'll show you the after video once we get done. That we got to see it before and after. All right, give us a call if you need something. Brick Farm Properties and Construction, 703-855-3324, or call the office number directly. All right, I'm Sid Hamid. Talk to you later.